Hello guys, welcome to Coding Arena. This video is for those people who are getting selected in Cognizant interview process. They have cleared the interview process, they are selected. So they will get offer letter in within a month of getting the result from Superset or anything if you are from campus on campus selector. Okay, so this is the process of Cognizant onboarding and pre-joining from formalities, which is the next step from of getting selection. So if you get offer letter, you have to do these things. So I will discuss all about step by step. First is the registration process, which is the process of registering yourself in the Cognizant portal. So you will get this link, you will get the mail, right, where you will have your username and your candidate id also. So in the step one, they will say like click here to access the registration page. You have to click that here text. You will go to the next step. This Microsoft account will be open. If you are not Microsoft account, you don't have a Microsoft account, you have to create the account here, then click next. You have to create that password. This is the like your registration in that portal. Now the second process, you have to verify your email address. So so the you will get a code in your email id which you have registered there. You have put that code here and verify the captcha. So that it's about the registration process. You have to accept this and that's it, you are registered on the Cognizant portal. Now you have to add your some details like uh, your country, region, and the method for text and messages for like your verification. This is the optional steps. You don't have to do that. These steps for already registered users. So if you are already registered on the Cognizant link, you just have to go there, sign in with your Microsoft account, verify yourself by getting text or call. They will send you a OTP. Put that OTP and you will be verified. You can change your password also by clicking that forgot password, and that verify code will be given to your email id. Put that code and there you can change your password. So this is the first step. You can register yourself on the onboarding process like Cognizant one portal. So after that you will get an email for pre-joining formalities and offer letter acceptance. So the link will be open in this Cognizant global onboarding. So this is the your path. So first will be review and accept your offer letter. When you will click here, your offer letter will be open. You have to read all the offer letter. Don't be in hurry. Just read all the steps they have written, all the policies, all the benefits they are giving. Then accept that offer letter. Also make sure that your name and your date of birth is correct there, and if not, you can go here, click raise a query to the Cognizant portal. It is also known as C2C portal, and they will be mail you and they will update your details. So so if your details are good, you are ready to go. So accept later. You will be uh, you will here will see that this step is completed. So the next step is PGB document submission. So this process is your background verification process. They will ask you some to upload some documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card. So you have to just scanned copy, upload the scanned copy of the documents. After that, this step will also completed. So this is the most important step. Click here. You can see your background verification is done. Then green tick will be here. You will see thanks for accepting of letter. You just wait for your date of joining. So here you will have 70 tasks. You have to complete each and every task with carefully. First is offer letter. This will be in the downside. You will see which is showing confirm status. Then this is the student profile questionnaire form. Just open here and you will they will ask you some questions. Just make sure you don't write anything wrong about yourself, otherwise they will uh, cancel your joining. So this is the intellectual property assignment agreement. It's like if you have any property with that cognizant. So if you are not a newcomer, you will have a laptop or some other facilities provided by Cognizant. You have to put that here. So all of you are freshers, then you don't have to put anything here. Just agree and sign and submit that form. So this is the most important form. This is personal form. I will show you some sample form here. I've already downloaded. I will show you. Wait. So this is the personal detail forms which you have to fill. Here your candidate ID will be here. Here you have to choose your prefix. You have to give your first name, last name. Please make sure give your real name which is same is in your documents like PAN card or Aadhaar card. So these red stars are the mandatory blocks. You have to write something here. Middle name is not compulsory, it's not mandatory. You can leave it alone, leave it blank. So put here date of birth, your marital status. You all will be a single. Your male or female, you have to write here. Your nationality, if you are Indian, you choose India. Citizenship status, you will be Indian if you are from India. Place of birth, put your city where you born, your home phone number, your email ID, your blood group. Emergency contact number should be a person, so that Cognizant will contact that person if they have any emergency. They are not able to contact you, so they can contact your this person. So you can give your friend's number. You can give your father's or brother's number also here. And then put that number. You have to write the name of that person you are giving the number, and here the relation between you and that person you have writing here. Like if you are giving the father's name, you have to choose their father. The mobile number should be given. Are you differently able? You have to choose this. That category you have to choose. If you are differently able, you should have a disabled certificate. You have to upload that certificate here. If you are not, you don't have to do anything. So if you want to receive SMS from Cognizant, choose yes. If you don't, then choose no. Father's name you have to give here. Do you have Aadhaar card? If you have Aadhaar card, then choose yes. You must all have Aadhaar card if you are Indian. Then put the Aadhaar card number here. Nature of location, like if you are living in your own home, just choose own. If you are living in rent, then choose rent. Current address. Here you have to choose your current address. What is your current location? And this is your permanent address. If your uh, current address and permanent address same, you just click that uh, tick on that. They will on automatically fill all the form. So this is about personal detail forms. Fill all this uh, fill all the form, you will status will be completed. You have to put their education detail form. I will show you if I have that form. Yes, I have. So in the education details you have to write your SST details. SST details is like your 10th details, the country where you have completed your 10th, in the state, your school name, your board university. If you're CBSC, then choose CBSC, and if you have any other board, then anything else. So degree, course attended full time or uh, part time, what all your percent got, your roll number, and you have to put the date, like from where you to where you attended that SSC, that higher secondary certificate, your 12th, your UGs, your undergraduation, like your BTech, BE, BCA. You have to fill all these forms. If you got any, if you have any PG, like post graduation, if you are having master degree, then take here. The new form will be open. So you have to fill the details of PG also. That's it about this. Just go back here, non-disclosure agreement. You have to just click and sign PAN declaration form. There you will have to uh, upload your PAN card. Here you will see your joining date is will be maybe 30th December 2021. That will be your default joining. It can be very dependent details form. It can be your who your if your father and mother is dependent on you, you have to fill their names, their details. Consolidation literacy form is will ask you like how much of your benefits should be given to your dependents. If you added father and brother in your dependent, then you have to tell like how much percentage they should be benefit. So just put 50% or 100%, anything you want, that's not matters. So this is the photo validation form. You have to upload a photo with a, you have to wear formal dress and your background should be dark gray, otherwise they will decline your photo. You have to upload it again. Then global association privacy notice. Here you have to just uh, accept a form, accept the policies. These are also you have to just accept and sign, and then you will have completed all the task. Then you have to wait for the pre-joining, like your date of joining. They will send you date of joining in your through your mail. Just make sure you are online on your email. Regularly check your emails. If you have any doubt, just go here, click for your queries. You will have already queries here. You can raise a query here. If you have any doubt, just go here. They will review your query and they will get back to you within 2 to 3 days. Then when we got when you will get joining date, and this will be show completed, then your day one will be yes to start. You have to just wait for the joining date if you filled all if you completed all the 17 tasks. So that's it about this joining form formalities.